Hold on, let me put my hat on. What's going on, people? Real fast, I hopped in here to let people who are in Discord and people who are coming to the channel know that I set the scan up. If you're in the Discord, you know that I had a conversation with some of y'all about some of your favorite pairs. The scan is configured to run across those pairs and call out some signals. Now, here's how this is going to work. I won't be sitting there in the chat live. I'll pop in periodically, but it's going to be a couple hours, so I won't be sitting there talking to you guys for all those hours, of course. But I will be monitoring the scanner, and when I think something valuable is happening, I may pop in and out to let you guys know that I'm taking those trades. So, you know, I'm going to do this as a soft launch to the live streaming, but I told you it was coming. So if you're in the Discord, know that some of the live streams, when they go down, they will be being posted in the Discord. So join the Discord. Not all of them, some of them, like half and half. I'm not sure. We're going to try this out and see how everything works. Depending on how it works, I'll either continue to do it and do it that way, or I'll just go back to, you know, what I've been doing before. But I don't want to go live and it's like 2 or 3 people just sitting in there, you know. But like I said, the way it's going to work is it's going to be a scanner. I'm going to run it for the 5-minute chart up to the weekly. And if you hear a signal, you'll know to go to that time frame on that chart. And if you want, you can just tune into the live stream and just have it where you can hear it in the background, and you know to go look at your chart and see with your own analysis if you agree with the signal that's being called out. Because just to warn you guys, the way that the scanner works is it's going to call out a potential buy or sell, but it's not always 100% accurate. Nothing is. So I don't want to come up here and tell you that go and take every signal that it gives you, because you have to make sure you know how to do proper analysis. Pardon me, let me put my glasses on because I'm having trouble seeing. So make sure you know how to do proper analysis, because the lower time frames, because some of you guys like to trade that 5-minute and that 15-minute. I enter trades on a 15-minute and I get off of it. That's what I use it for. But for you guys who trade the lower time frames, remember those signals, you got to be careful, because the signal may not be for you to stay in a trade on a lower time frame, because the lower the time frame, the smaller the move will be before it corrects and retraces. So you get more retracements on lower time frames. I don't know if you guys know that, but you should, of course. So for those of you looking for 5 or 10 pips, you know, 15, 20 pips, then those lower time frame signals will be for you. Okay, so just keep in mind that you're gonna need that in order to catch the signals. So you're gonna get buy sell signals. It's going to be an automated talking robot with a chart telling you what signal is seeing. It's going to say it live, and you'll be able to check with your own analysis if you agree with the signal. So, okay, so I just switched over to the chart to show you guys how it'll look pretty much. So when the scanner is running, this is how it's going to look. So I'm going to break it down for you guys so you can see it. We have it running on the 1-minute chart for now, but when we go live, it won't. This is just to give you a demonstration of what you'll be looking at. Your currency pairs will be at the top. Your time frame will be on the side. So we have the 1-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. As you can see, every time frame has an arrow. Whatever arrow is given is the momentum for that time frame. When you see the time frame is lit up a certain way, the robot is going to talk. It's going to talk and let you know that the momentum is doing something. It's either going to go up or down, of course. It's the only thing it can do. And it's going to be GBP is GBP JPY, GBP USD, USD JPY, Euro
we
USD.
have a possible change to bearish momentum.
Here you go.
Look for a move to the downside on pound yen 1-minute chart.
Okay, so that was the pound yen 1-minute chart. As you can see, it's saying momentum went to the upside. As you can see, the arrow is green. So you would go to your 1-minute chart and see if that's a trade you want to take. And let me finish the indicators. And I left this running in the back to interrupt me on purpose so you guys can hear it. This is what the live stream will be like when this is playing. I may put a little background music to it, but for the most part, this is what you'll be seeing, okay? So it's GBP JPY, GBP USD, USD JPY, Euro USD, NAS 100, US 30, S&P 500, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. We can add any pairs you guys want, but for now, those are the ones we discussed in the group. So I just decided to switch over to this chart just for you guys to see what it looks like.
We have a possible change to bearish momentum. Look for a move to the downside on pound yen 1-minute chart.
Okay, so now you can see it's giving out the signals as it should appropriately, right? So just keep this in mind, guys. This is what's going on. so you guys know what is happening when you see the live stream. So let me switch back to the talking video. I figured I'd come to the command center and show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's switch back over. Please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do so. Tell your friends to do so. I'm gonna try this out. If it works out well enough, I'll continue to do it for you guys to try and help out. And like I said, I will pop in and out. It's gonna be for New York and London session. So for that many hours, I can't sit in the chart. I'm not gonna lie to you, I can't sit there like that. But when I'm taking trades and stuff, I'll let you guys know, hey, I'm taking this trade, that trade, this trade, and you guys can trade with me, okay? So like I said, for those of you who are like at work, or you're getting up, or you're laying down, or you're doing whatever you have to do before you go, you could turn into the live stream and listen, because it's gonna be a talking robot. So it'll call out the signal, you'll hear it, and then you'll be able to go look at your own chart and see if you want to take that trade or not, okay? So for the people in the Discord, some of those live streams will be getting posted there exclusively, and some will stay on the YouTube channel. So I'm looking for moderators and stuff, so I want to see you guys getting active, participating a little bit more. Shout out to the people that are participating in the Discord. And last but not least, for the people who buy the course, just know that I'm going to be adding videos to the course for the robots. So if you decide to buy some of the robots, there'll be tutorials on how to use it in the course. So that's no extra charge for you guys. You'll get a discount to the software. And for those of you who did buy the course, also, you'll be getting a VIP pass on the Discord for the private channel in there for you to talk about the course and other stuff like the robot training. And the only reason I'm making that private is because you don't need to be taking a training unless you buy the robot. So if you buy a robot or you buy the course, either way, you'll get access to that section, okay? So the robot is being finalized right now, the one that I'm using, the one that I keep posting the most. But I have other robots that you can use that are less money that will still get you the same results. I tried to make those affordable for you guys, so hopefully you guys are gonna take advantage of that when I start posting it more, because I haven't been posting it yet. I just want to make sure you guys know what you're doing before I hand you a weapon of mass destruction. I don't want you to get the nuke and start firing it, okay? So I'm gonna make sure you know how to handle the nuke and put it away for the day that you need it, rather than you going out there, I got a nuke, I got a nuke, I got a nuke. All right, so just a thank you to everybody. So for the free, man, don't worry about the money stuff. For the free, man, just tune into the YouTube live stream. That's going to be free. The robot's going to be calling out some signals. Use your own proper analysis, disclaimer. Use your own proper analysis, disclaimer. Use your own proper analysis, disclaimer again. Use your own proper analysis before you take those trades, because the robot is only going to show you the trade under the current condition of the market. If you don't know, between Asia, London, New York and stuff like that, the market will do something to give a false signal, meaning it will go in one direction and go the other direction. You have to know price action to know when you see that's what the market's doing, because it will trap you in a trade just based off the signal. That's why I want you guys to get used to seeing this robot, get familiar with it, then you can get your own, okay? So this way you get to kind of see what it's like before you get one, and you can learn from that, okay? Because the robot will, on especially lower time frames, call out signals that are short-lived, okay? It'll call out maybe a 5 pip signal, a 10 pip signal. And you got to know that. You have to do the proper analysis. If it tells you it's a buy, and then it goes into a buy for 5 signals and turn around for 20, it still gave the proper signal. You just got to do the analysis to know when and get out of the trade. Of course, for those of you who took the course, I'll show you how to tell when to get in and out of any trade on any time frame with the method I gave, right? But anyway, that's enough about that, because people say I'm trying to sell you something. All right, so this is free. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Discord if you're not. And for the people in the Discord, I am looking for mods in there, so please participate. Please show your charts and post them, because a lot of you guys, you hop in and out real quick. I know everybody's busy. I know people got to work and stuff. Same for me, so I get it. But I need to see a little bit more participation, because I need help running this Discord and this YouTube channel, and just overall running this business. So I need an assistant. I need mods. I need admins. I need all of that stuff. So help me out, because I'm not gonna be able to sit here all day. Just like with this live stream, it'd be nice if I had an admin to run the live stream while I'm out doing other things and hopping out and in it. So we'll build and grow. I know I'm asking for a lot, so I'm gonna get out of here. I don't want to make this video too long. All my videos are always long, and I don't want this to be that way, okay? So people, this is Friday right now. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy your weekend. I'm not going to be doing too much trading this weekend. I want to reflect, finish building some stuff for the course, and I want to relax. I don't want to work this weekend. I've been working and not sleeping for days. I got coffee with me right now, okay? That's why I'm talking so fast. I'm wired up. But anyway, let me get out of here because I got to go get ready to get my hair cut. I got a barber's appointment. I'm waiting on him right now. People see me because I pulled over on this block, and they're riding by looking to try and see what the hell I'm doing. And they see that I got this big tablet in front of me and I'm talking to it like this. And people want to know what the hell is going on. But it's okay. It'll be all right. All right, I'm out of here. Peace, guys.